Transform your diet with these 5 surprising foods. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy diet can seem like an overwhelming task. With countless food options and dietary trends, it's essential to find a balanced approach that nourishes your body and supports your overall well-being. But what if I told you that a simple change of incorporating 5 surprising foods into your daily meals could significantly boost your health and vitality? From immune-boosting properties to increased energy levels, these foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that will fuel your body and enhance your quality of life. Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of these 5 surprising foods and learn how they can transform your diet in ways you never imagined. No. 1. Sauerkraut. If you're seeking a superfood that not only boosts your health, but also adds a tangy twist to your meals, look no further than sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for wound healing and skin health. But that's not all. Sauerkraut is also rich in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and helping you feel full for longer. It even contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a strong immune system and protect against harmful pathogens. Whether you enjoy it on your sandwiches, salads, or as a standalone side dish, sauerkraut is a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. So why wait? Add this crunchy cabbage to your meals and experience the amazing benefits it has to offer. No. 2. Sardines. Sardines may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These tiny fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Sardines are also an excellent source of protein, making them a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Plus, they're rich in calcium and vitamin D, vital for strong bones and teeth. But that's not all. Sardines are a convenient and sustainable seafood choice, making them an eco-friendly option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Whether you prefer them canned, grilled, or smoked, sardines offer a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health and support a more sustainable future. No. 3. Wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are a true superfood packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. These little gems are a great source of vitamin C, promoting a healthy immune system and protecting against cellular damage. They also contain fiber, aiding digestion and helping you feel full for longer. Wild blueberries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Plus, they're low in calories and fat, making them an excellent snack option for those watching their weight. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried, incorporating wild blueberries into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to boost your overall health and well-being. No. 4. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are a culinary delight and a nutritional powerhouse. These savory fungi are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. They also contain antioxidants that help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Shiitake mushrooms are particularly known for their immune-boosting properties, thanks to a compound called lanthanin. This unique polysaccharide has been shown to enhance the activity of white blood cells, helping the body fight off infections and diseases. Whether you grill them, or add them to soups and stir-fries, shiitake mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health and add a gourmet touch to your meals. No. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a true hidden gem when it comes to nutrition. These small but mighty seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium, which is crucial for energy production and muscle function. They also contain zinc, which supports a healthy immune system and aids in wound healing. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of protein and fiber, making them a satisfying snack option for vegetarians and vegans. Plus, they contain antioxidants that help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Whether you roast them, sprinkle them on salads, or use them in trail mix, pumpkin seeds are a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health and satisfy your snack cravings. Incorporating these 5 surprising foods into your daily diet can have profound impacts on your health and vitality. From the immune-boosting properties of sauerkraut and sardines to the antioxidant-rich goodness of wild blueberries and shiitake mushrooms, each of these foods brings unique benefits to the table. And don't forget about the power of pumpkin seeds, a true hidden gem packed with essential nutrients. By embracing these nutritious options, you'll not only nourish your body, but also tantalize your taste buds with delicious flavors. So why wait? Start incorporating these amazing foods into your meals today and experience the incredible transformations they can bring to your health and well-being. And if you're eager to dive deeper into the world of natural health and wellness, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about living a healthier life. Together, we can explore the vast potential of natural remedies, immune-boosting foods, and a holistic approach to well-being. Don't miss out on this incredible community. Subscribe now and let's embark on this journey to better health together. But our exploration into the realm of natural health and wellness doesn't end there. We've handpicked an exclusive bonus food that will leave you amazed at its incredible benefits. Prepare to be surprised as we reveal a secret ingredient that can take your health to new heights. Are you curious to discover the next level of wellness? Keep watching to uncover the mystery of this bonus food and unlock its amazing health benefits. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice derived from the turmeric plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its remarkable health benefits. This vibrant root is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent containing curcumin, a compound responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, alleviating conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. It also possesses antioxidant properties, protecting against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, turmeric can help improve brain function and memory, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties also make it effective in combating infections. Incorporating turmeric into your diet through spices, teas, or supplements can provide numerous health benefits. So embrace the golden spice and unlock a world of wellness. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of discovering the incredible benefits of incorporating these surprising foods into your daily diet. We hope you've learned that embracing a holistic approach to health and nutrition can lead to a more vibrant and energetic life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. And by making conscious choices to include foods like sauerkraut, sardines, wild blueberries, shiitake mushrooms, and pumpkin seeds, you are nourishing your body and supporting your overall well-being. As you continue to explore the world of health and wellness, we encourage you to stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay committed to making positive changes. If you found value in our content, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and embrace the power of nutritious choices. If you're considering incorporating garlic into your diet, you're in for a treat. This humble bulb is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your immune system. In today's episode, we'll be discussing the incredible advantages of including garlic in your daily meals. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of natural health and discover how garlic can supercharge your immune system, let's get started. As we continue our exploration of immune-boosting foods, we come across another remarkable addition to the list: garlic. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for centuries not only for its culinary properties, but also for its potential health benefits. Let us delve deeper into the nutritional profile of garlic and understand what makes it such a nutritional powerhouse. When it comes to nutrition, garlic offers a whole host of valuable vitamins and minerals. It's particularly rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. This vitamin helps enhance the function of white blood cells, which are the body's defense against infections and diseases. Additionally, garlic is a good source of other essential nutrients such as vitamin B6, manganese, and selenium. These nutrients play various roles in supporting overall health and immune function. Now let us explore some of the key compounds found in garlic that contribute to its unique health benefits. One of the main active compounds in garlic is allicin. Allicin is responsible for the pungent odor and flavor of garlic. But it's also known for its antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Another group of compounds found in garlic are the sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds are not only responsible for the characteristic taste and smell of garlic, but they also have been associated with various health benefits, including cardiovascular and immune support. Now that we've covered the nutritional aspects of garlic, let's discuss how incorporating it into your diet can benefit your immune system. Garlic has been traditionally used for its potential to boost the immune system. It can help enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms, making it more resilient against infections and diseases. The presence of allicin and other sulfur compounds in garlic contributes to its immune-boosting effects. Another benefit of garlic is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Garlic's anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall well-being. Now let's talk about how garlic can support heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Garlic contains compounds that can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. The sulfur compounds in garlic play a role in reducing the risk of heart disease by improving blood flow and reducing cholesterol levels. Did you know that garlic may also help in fighting certain types of cancer? Several studies have investigated the potential anti-cancer properties of garlic. The allicin and other phytochemicals present in garlic have been shown to have anti-cancer effects on certain types of cancer cells. Another fascinating aspect of garlic is its potential benefits for brain health. Cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases are a concern for many. Research suggests that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic may play a role in protecting brain health and improving cognitive function. Garlic has also been traditionally used to support healthy blood sugar levels. The sulfur compounds in garlic may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be done in various delicious ways. Garlic can be used to add flavor to a wide range of dishes. It can be used raw in salads or cooked in sauces and soups. You can also enjoy garlic bread or roast garlic as a side dish. There are numerous recipes available that incorporate garlic as a key ingredient. To reap the full benefits of garlic, it's important to use it properly. Fresh garlic is best stored in a cool, dry place. If you want to store it for longer periods, you can consider storing it in a dry and well-ventilated area. When preparing garlic, it's generally recommended to use the entire clove, including the green tops, as they also contain beneficial nutrients. However, if you're using garlic for its medicinal properties, it's often recommended to use aged garlic extract supplements. These extracts are standardized to ensure a consistent dose of allicin and other active compounds. While garlic is generally safe for consumption, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as gas or bloating when consuming large amounts of garlic. Additionally, garlic can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications. If you're taking any medications, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding significant amounts of garlic to your diet. There have been many studies conducted on garlic, and the findings have shown promising results regarding its health benefits. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract supplementation improved immune function in healthy adults. Another study published in the Journal of Hypertension showed that garlic supplementation effectively reduced blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. These studies demonstrate the potential benefits of garlic on both the immune system and cardiovascular health. However, it's important to note that individual responses to garlic may vary, and it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. While garlic offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating garlic into your diet should be part of an overall approach to wellness that includes regular exercise and stress management. Garlic is truly a remarkable natural remedy with a myriad of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to supporting heart health and even potentially fighting cancer, garlic offers a wide range of advantages. By incorporating garlic into your daily meals, you can tap into these incredible benefits and enhance your overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it in your favorite recipes or use it as a flavorful addition to your salads, garlic is a versatile ingredient that can elevate both the taste and healthiness of your meals. And did you know that garlic isn't the only superfood out there? There are many other immune-boosting foods that can supercharge your health. Check out our previous episodes on the incredible benefits of turmeric, ginger, and broccoli. Each of these natural remedies has unique properties and health benefits waiting to be discovered. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. We're dedicated to bringing you informative content on natural health and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest episodes. Stay healthy, stay informed, and embrace the power of nature in your journey towards wellness.